An extremely busy year comes to an end. This year, Sunreef Yachts has pushed the limits of the yachting revolution yet again. The world's most advanced electric luxury yacht. A new generation of expedition crafts. Expansion in the United Arab Emirates. A growing presence in Turkey. A growing infrastructure in Poland. The world's biggest electric luxury sail yacht. A hydrogen edition of the Sunreef 80. New models joining the range. Two decades of catamaran excellence. Special guests on board. A year of success, crowned with many awards. Showcases and premieres all around the globe. Sunreef Yachts supports initiatives with a positive impact. Join the cruise into another extraordinary year.